Hey you guys, so the beginning of the video got deleted, but this is what it came with: the Supernova bag, wig caps, and elastic band to tighten your wig. It's also an Amazon-based company, so if you got Amazon Prime, get with it. But even if you don't have Amazon Prime, babe, you can still get with it. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so I did it, gave it a little baby. Here was super easy to do, super easy to pluck. I think I'm gonna go back in and bleach the knots. I just sprayed it with this and put some concealer on it, but I think I like the bleach in the knots way better. It takes a long time, but whatever, you know, perfect takes time. So I think I'm gonna do that. But overall, I love this hair. I always wanted to go for like a burgundy. Like I tried so many times to go burgundy, and it just is not the color. It's either too red, too purple, or whatever. But this one is like the perfect, like, baby is the vibe for me. But yeah, so I really like it. Super soft, super soft. And I like the density of the hair because it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just right for me. For me. Okay? But yeah, you know, I'm giving y'all little baby hairs or whatever. You know? So what is given? Is giving yes or no? But yes, this was sponsored by Supernovahair. So thank you, Supernovahair, for sending me this wig. I am very grateful, you know. Yeah, so I just put, I need to redo my braids because I feel like it could be flatter. Okay. But I just put this on it to just like flatten it down, you know. And this, I did not do nothing else after that. But yeah, overall this hair is deadbombdiggity.com. And yeah. But I don't want to ramble no more. So tell me guys, slow it down. Tell me what you guys think about the hair and leave it down below. Everything will be down below. Thank you again, Supernovahair. Yeah, so if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.